Hey guys, welcome back to your best lessons. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you 3 gospel reggae bass lines. Okay, so if you're interested and you want to spice up your reggae groove, I want you to watch the video. It is very easy to learn. Okay, if you're also new to this YouTube channel, I want you to subscribe and also click the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Like the video and also share this video to your friends. I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp. So guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. Okay, so I'll be breaking into 3 sections. Okay, the first one, the second one, and the third one. But put it in mind that these bass line, when you only master it, you can try to use them in any reggae song out there. Okay, and some of the bass line I'm to apply to this song are maybe deep reggae bass line and maybe just a simple bass line. Okay, but you just need to master it and apply it to the progression to make it simple and easy for you. Okay, so let's look at the first bass line. So this was the first bass line. Okay, so let me break it down easily for you. Remember to position your fingers very well when you are trying to play a reggae bass line, because it is simple. It's nothing that you'll be playing a lot of notes and stuff. Okay, so on my one, I played something like this. Okay, so you sustain on your root, that is your one, then you groove on your octave. So I think here you'll be playing it like 6 times. That is the octave note. Okay, then now to your 4 progression. Okay, so you play 4 4 2. Okay, so you join both of them together. You understand? Okay, so now you're going to your 5. Okay, so you just play your 5, 1 2 3 4, play like 4 notes, then you come back to your 4 progression. That is the same 4 bass line groove you played. You understand? Okay, so you should master it very well. Sustain, groove, 4, your 5. Okay, so now let's move to the you came from heaven to earth. So the same bass line. So you can even add the 2 5 5 5. You can slide on or to 5 5 5. It is your choice. Okay, so for me, sometimes I'll slide. So when you slide, the same 4 note to 5. You understand? Okay, you see that there's a place in the song they went to 6 2. That is the punches on the song. Get from heaven to na 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 na. Okay, okay, some players out there get it confused when they are going to the 6 2 5 1. You understand? So this is how to solve it. So da na 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 da na na na. You're going to your 6 da na na. Okay, so you play your 4, you won't go to your 5. Da na 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 na. You understand? Da, na. Okay, so for this, what I will play normally: 4 2 3 6 7 3. 4 2 3 6 7 3. Then you play 7 3 6. Then the punches along the song: 5 4 da na 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 da da. Let's do it again. Da 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 da. So you saw that I played a lick in the reggae. Sometimes you don't have to be bringing it many times. Just bring it just once for a very long while. You understand? So I did something like this. You understand? Okay, okay, so it's very simple. So you play 1, that is your root and your octave, then your 4 2, you slide to your 5. So here is the point: your 5 you play just once. If you play it more than 2, you're gonna get off the tempo of the song. You understand? So dan 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 dan. Then you do the lick da 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 da, so that you still be in the tempo. Okay, so 4, then the lick goes like this: 5 6 1 6 5. Okay, da 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 da. Okay, just make it like the staccato way. Okay, don't make it long. Okay, pa, 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 pa. You understand? Okay, then we continue. So dan 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 dan. You understand? Okay, so now let's move to the second bass line. So this was the second bass line, and very easy. So let me break it down for you. So on your 1, da, 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 na, na. Okay, so that bass line goes like this: 1 3 4. Then to your 5 progression: 6 5 5. Okay, so then you descend from your 4 to your 1, da, 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 6 5 5. So it goes like this: 4 4 4 4 3 2 3 1. So you should take note of that. Okay, so 4 1 3 4 6 5 5. Okay, so you can either play here on the heavy bass, or maybe you see that I slide it. You understand? Okay, so you can also do it that way. So when you are doing something like this, okay, 4 4 4, it is 2 ways. You can play this in 2 ways. Okay, so either you use some of the techniques. So 4 4 4, you see, 4 4 4 3, then you block on 2 3 1, or you can just block it throughout. You understand? Okay, so you understand? Okay. Dun, 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 dun. So let's look at that triads I use. You understand? So on your 1, you have 1 1 3 5. Okay, da 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 da. Okay, then to your 4, you see the difference between the 1 and the 4. Then dan dan dan. So you plug it like 3 times. Dan dan dan. So 4 4 4 6 1. Okay. You understand? Okay. Then to your 5, that's the same as 5 5 7 2. You understand? Okay. Down. Then then you continue with the groove. Okay. Down. To your 6 2 and 5. Remember, on your 4, then to your 7 and 6, then 2 and 5 and 1. So in this kind of groove, you have to play this way. So let's say we are going to your 6. Da, 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 da. So 4 4 4 6 1 6 7 3 7 3 6 5 4 da 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 da. Okay, so remember, to your 4, you won't go to your 5. You're going straight forward to your 7 6 2 5 and 1. So da 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 da. Okay, so now let's move to the third bass line. So this is what you'll be doing throughout. Okay, you'll be playing it on your 1 progression. Okay, so 1 5 6 1 6, then to your 4 and your 5. Okay, so 1 5 6 1 6, then 4 4 1 4 5, then back to your da da da, then 4 4 3 2 1. You understand? Okay, just take it slow. Okay, 2 2 2 4 4 4 3 2 1. Then you continue. So in case you want to slide, you'll be plucking your 4 times. You'll be plucking your 4 times. Okay. Okay, so you understand? Okay, so where you came from is the same bass line with it. Okay, da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. So now you'll be going to your 4 5, then 2 3 6 5 4 da, da, 5 5 5 5 1. Okay, so remember that when you're going to your 6, you just play 4 5 5 2 3 6 5 4 da da 5 5 5 5 dun 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 dun. You understand? Okay, so you can start using them in the same reggae, or maybe if you find any reggae familiar with this kind of song, you can apply this bass line to that song. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.